We are a school that's over 200 years old. We were originally set up in 1803 to look after children of people who lost their lives in the war. We've been very impressed from day one with Miele. It doesn't seem that important, but the look and feel of the laundry is fantastic, and the environment is very clean. The efficiency is incredible. What used to take 2 or 3 hours now takes 45 minutes. And the outcome for the students is they get their clothes back quicker, cleaner, and in a much better state.
Currently there's around 500 pupils, age range from about 11 till 18, boys and girls. We launder virtually everything. We launder bedding, underwear, whites, PE, sports, uniform, blues for parades, etc, etc. We also provide a dry cleaning service.
We've got some of the washers and we've got some large tumble dryers. We've also got a roller press. The machines are running constantly all day, 6 days a week. We do put them on a timer for efficiencies that we come in the morning, so we put them to run at 7 o'clock in the morning, so when the staff start at 8 o'clock, they're all ready to go. One wash has been done, ready to go in the dryers.
In addition to the cost savings we've noticed and the fact that we don't need to constantly repair and replace our previous domestic machines, we've also noticed a drop in energy costs as a direct result of using these machines.
They're quality machinery, quality product, great support. They're one of 3 tenders and they won it outstandingly.